Standard 6 Subject Science Lesson number 16 The Universe Part 7. In a previous video we had studied about Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. Now we are going to study about the planet Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun in the solar system. It cannot be seen without a telescope. Its axis is so greatly inclined that it appears as if it is rolling along on its orbit. Methane gas in its atmosphere gives Uranus a blue-green color. It has 15 known moons and 11 known rings. Uranus has tilt of 98 degrees, which means that it spins on its sides. One day on Uranus lasts about 18 Earth hours. It takes 84 years to orbit the Sun. Neptune. It is the eighth planet in the solar system. A season on Neptune lasts for about 41 years. On this, the planet wind blowing with extremely high speed. It has 6 rings made up of dust and rocks. It has no solid surface. It takes 165 years to revolve around the Sun. It rotates 16 hours and it has 13 moons. It was named after the Greek god of sea. The winds are the strongest in any planet in the solar system. The dark spot in the image here is a storm like the great red spot on the Jupiter. However, the blue storm appears has probably already disappeared. Neptune winds are the fastest known on any planet, getting as fast as 2000 km per hour. Satellite. An artificial body placed in orbit around the Earth to collect information or for communication. The celestial body that revolve around a planet without independently revolving around the Sun are called satellites. Like planets, satellite rotates around their respective axes. The Moon is the satellite of the Earth. It does not have an atmosphere. Its period of rotation and revolution are both of 27.3 days. Except from Mercury and Venus, all other planets have satellites but in varying number. A small heavenly object which revolves around some heavenly body due to the effect of gravitational force. There are two types of satellites, passive satellite and active satellite. Passive satellites are relay stations in space. It includes subtopics, natural satellites, artificial satellites. Active satellites are complicated structures having a processing equipment called transponder provide the action to incoming signal and prevent the interference between two signals. Asteroid. A great number of small-sized bodies could not turn into planet when the solar system was formed, but continued to revolve around the Sun. These bodies are known as asteroids. A belt of such celestial body has formed between the planet Mars and Jupiter. Dwarf planet. A small-sized celestial body that revolves independently around the Sun is called a dwarf planet. A celestial body like a Pluto can be classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto takes around 248 years to complete its revolution around the Sun, whereas it takes around 6.38 days for one rotation. A comet is a small heavenly body and consists of mainly dust, ice and small gritty particles, sometimes called dirty snowball. Comet is a celestial body that revolves around the Sun. Comets are formed out of ice and dust particles. They are part of the solar system. Since olden times, the appearance of a comet has been considered to be an inauspicious event. It appears like point when they are far away from the Sun, but when they are close to the Sun, they become easily visible to us because of the shorter distance and the heat of the Sun. It is made up of frozen matter and dust particles. When they are close to the Sun, this frozen matter gets converted into gas due to the solar heat, and these gases get thrown in a direction away from the Sun. As a result, certain comets appear to have a long feathery tail. Due to their long elliptical orbits, the appearance in the sky is very rare. They reappear in the sky after a very long period of time. Comets are classified into two main groups, long period comet and short period comet. This comet takes place more than 200 years to complete one revolution around the Sun is called long period comet. And the comet that takes less than 200 years to complete one revolution around the Sun is called short period comet. Halley comet is one of the most famous. It has a period of 76 years and has been observed since antiquity. Its most recent visit in 1986 was not spectacular. Left The comet in 1910 is seen with the naked eyes. Right, the comet in 1986 seen through a telescope. A meteor. A meteor is a rocky body that burns up and vaporizes in the Earth's atmosphere. As we see a falling star, this event is called a meteor fall. Mostly, these meteors are rocky pieces originating from the asteroid belt. Smaller rocky pieces get completely burned due to the friction with the air and after they enter the Earth's atmosphere. Sometimes the meteors do not burn completely and fall to the surface of the Earth. These are called meteorites. It is believed that the Lonar Lake in Maharashtra has been formed by the impact of such a meteor. Meteors or meteorite falls occur on other celestial bodies too. So, in this chapter we had studied about there are innumerable galaxies in universe, our solar system, various star clusters are part of the Milky Way. Various types of stars like the sun can be seen in the Milky Way. Different planets in the solar system have peculiar characteristics. Some planets have satellites whereas others do not have any. Comets have a characteristic structure but their appearance keeps on changing. So we had completed our lesson number 16 in the universe. Thank you.